Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today, as I mentioned on my previous video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 gift baskets that you can create for your loved ones. So let me just say, if you're new here at Ivy Space, thank you so much for clicking on this video. On this channel, we do a lot of home decor video, come shop with me video, and clean with me, cook with me, things like that. But most of my videos are shopping videos. So if you have not seen any video from me before, this is your first time seeing this video, thank you so much. And if you're a returnee, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch all my videos. So please guys, if you have not subscribed yet, push the subscribe button down below. Also push the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a shopping vlog or any other kind of video. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you got some ideas. I was able to inspire you when it comes to some of the gifts that you can give your loved ones for this season. So let's just get into this video. I'm going to just stop now and let you guys watch this video. All right.
So let's get started. So the stuff that I'm going to be using, like the gift basket and the gift wrap, I got from Dollarama. Dollarama has a whole section of gift boxes and also gift box and gift wrap that you can buy from them and use it to create your gift box. So the particular one that I bought was about $1.25. This particular one, they also have other ones. If you go watch all my previous Christmas decor shopping at Dollarama, you see that they had a lot of gift box that you can buy from Dollarama, and it also come with this clear wrap. I also had to buy extra clear wrap because the stuff that I put in the gift basket were really big, so I needed a bigger clear wrap paper that I can use to wrap my gift box. So what you just have to do is put it inside depending on what you're creating. You can also buy some of your stuff from Dollarama, like you can create your gift box using Dollarama stuff. Dollarama does have a lot of great stuff that I feel like you can use to create a gift box. So my gift box range from $25 to up to $200. And the first gift box I'm going to be showing you guys today is a makeup gift box. If you don't know, I'm into makeup. I love makeup. I have a beauty channel where I create makeup tutorials and things like that. And if you want to give out a gift box, it will be if you have somebody in your life who love makeup and things like that, it's great to create a gift box for Christmas. So this particular gift box that I'm creating and is from Juvia's Place, and so I just added some of the makeup palette that I feel like she might like into the gift box that I'm going to be giving to her. Like I chose 2 makeup palettes, and that comes with 2 lipstick, a foundation, a setting spray from Sephora, and also my own eyelash brand. If you don't know, I have my own eyelash brand, guys. I have a website as well where you can purchase my lashes from, www.ivyglam.com. You can go there and purchase my lashes, the wigs, and other product that I sell on my website. So this is one of the gift box that you can make for your loved ones. I also added these 3 lipstick. This is Super Stay lipstick from Maybelline. These are some of my very favorite lipstick. They stay all day. They are really good, and they're very affordable. I think one of them was about $10 at Walmart. And I also had the LA Girl Pro concealer set inside the gift box as well. And this shredded paper I got from Michael's. It was about $5 for that big bag. I use that to decorate inside the gift bags like this. As you guys can see, you can create a gift bag for your loved ones for Christmas like this, and I'm sure they will love receiving a gift bag like this. Like, you can personalize your gift bag like this, like different things that they like as a gift bag. Okay. So let's create a second gift bag. So this one, I'm going to be putting kitchen stuff in here, and some of the kitchen stuff I got from Kitchen Stuff Plus, and they were doing sales, and I just went ahead to the store and purchased some of their stuff there just to create this gift bag for you guys. These are some of the things you can look forward to in buying for Black Fridays, or you can be checking their flyers at Kitchen Plus stuff to see some of the stuff that are currently available to create your gift basket. So these are some of the things I will be adding to this gift basket, and this gift basket was less than $30. This two containers was about $5 at Kitchen Plus stuff. They were doing a $5 sale. They also have this baking sheet at Kitchen Plus stuff for only $5, and as well those trays was also for $5, and also the chopper was $5, and this particular one was also $5. And the mug, I also got it from Home Sense for $5 as well. And I also have this tea bag. I think they are called tea bag, and I added that to it with caramel to it. So that is the second gift bag that you can create for your loved ones. This was less than $30, guys, that you can make for your loved ones. So let's move on to the next one. So if you have somebody who you want to give some pampering stuff, you can create a gift bag for them. This particular one, I think this was also less than $30. I just got like body stuff like Epsom salts and perfume, stuff like that, hand soap, like things like that, hygienic stuff, and I put that into the gift bag. This was also less than $30. No, it was more than $30 because of the perfume that I put in it. I think the perfume was about $30. I'm not sure. That perfume was gifted to me. So I just wanted to show you guys some ideas. Some of these things that I'm using to create this gift bag are from my home. They are already in my home. I'm just showing you guys how you can, some things that you can use to create your gift bags for your loved ones. So you can add a perfume to your gift bags if you know some of the stuff that they like, some of the scent that they like a face mask. This was given to me by a co-worker, so you can use face mask if you know the brands that they like. You can use face mask, hand wash, things like that to create a gift basket for your loved ones for Christmas, and I'm 100% sure they will love it, especially because it's customized. You thought about some of the things that they like. And yes guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Please comment down below if you are liking some of these videos that I'm posting, if you will use some of these ideas, and what do you like for Christmas. Do you prefer a Christmas gift bucket, or basket, or you just like one single present? So yes guys, I hope you guys are liking it. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please push the subscribe button down below, and also push the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. So this will be the most expensive gift bag that you can create. You can buy jewelry for your loved ones, bags, and some of their favorite drinks, alcoholic drink or non-alcoholic drinks. You can use those things to create a gift bags for them, and I'm 100% sure they will like it. So this will be my last gift bags ideas that you can create for your loved ones, and I hope you like this video. I'm going to let you guys watch to the end, and please leave a comment down below if this was helpful, if you pick anything from it, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye. So guys, these are some of the gift basket ideas that you can use. I was able to create 4 gift baskets by using some of the stuff that I had at home, and some of the stuff that I also bought that was very inexpensive, like kitchen plus stuff. I went to Walmart, Dollarama. So these are some of the gift basket ideas that you can use for Christmas, and also things that you can look forward to during Black Friday. So if there's something that you were looking into buying, Black Friday is coming up very soon, like a designer purse, a designer bag, some of those things that you can get really good price for on Black Friday. So I hope you guys love these videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I thank you guys so much for liking and watching and commenting on my videos. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and if you know anybody that might benefit from this video, please share this content with somebody else. It will mean a lot to me. So I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching one more time, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.